Under the United States Constitution, everyone is guaranteed an attorney in criminal law. It's not every area of law, but at least in criminal law, you are guaranteed the right to an attorney. Why? Because in criminal law, you're actually dealing with someone's liberty. It's okay if you lose some money, you lose some property, maybe you don't get to see your kids all the time, but when you're dealing with someone's property, it's much more serious. That's why under the U.S. Constitution, you're guaranteed the right to an attorney. Now, sometimes people can't afford attorneys. Attorneys are very expensive. If that's the case, then when you go to court on your first appearance, you'll ask the court, the judge, may I please apply for a court-appointed attorney? And he'll give you a piece of paper, and you have to fill it out. What happens there is you tell the court what your job is, how much you make, who are your dependents, how many of them are there, are you married, what assets do you have? At a certain point, if you don't have enough assets or if you don't have enough income, then they will court appoint you an attorney. People often ask me, well, how much money do I have to make to be eligible for a court-appointed attorney? I can't tell you that. In fact, the court won't even tell you that. The judge has a little list that he looks behind his bench, and it tells him, okay, this person will be eligible given this income and given this number of dependents, and some other factors that I don't even know about. So it's really up to the judge as to whether or not you'll get a court-appointed attorney. If not, then it will be your burden to find an attorney. Now, if you're given a court-appointed attorney, is that a free attorney? Not necessarily. What happens is the court-appointed attorney will work on your behalf, and it is his job to represent you. But the problem is that his fee will be charged to the court, and then the court will turn around and charge you under court costs and fees when your case is finally disposed. So in effect, what's happening is you're having to pay for your court-appointed attorney in the long run. It's not actually free. So the other question people often ask me is, well, if I can get a court-appointed attorney, why should I even pay for an attorney? And that's really up to you. If you meet your court-appointed attorney and you like them and you feel like they're really going to help you, then go ahead. Stay with your court-appointed attorney. However, it's really the luck of the draw. Many people feel like their court-appointed attorney doesn't even help them or try to visit them in jail or do any investigation on their behalf. And when that happens, I advise you to go out and find an attorney, somebody that you feel comfortable with, somebody who will fight for your rights. Because even though this is a free attorney, or technically not free attorney, but a cheaper attorney, maybe they aren't really the best attorney for you.